Oh, yeah, thank you. Hi, the baby. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Vinny, can you get the puppy out of my lap so I can take a video of it? Do you see the puppy that's in my lap? Ah, that's my socks. Why do we gotta start with the socks? Okay. Oh, girl versus boy. Look. Oh. Yes, isn't the other girl? And of course we know all the rest are boys. Are we trying to take a videotape of my lap now? How many I got here? You like the socks? You like the socks? Hey, Vin, best medicine, huh? You come home, I get to play with my puppies. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to get out from this position. How you doing, girl? Somebody's sleeping. I don't think they want me to get out of the okay, off the camera. You're teething on my finger. You're teething on my finger. What are you doing? Oh, he's such a pretty boy. Who's behind me, Vin? What color? What's right behind me right here? Oh, it's two of the tan boys. Tan boy. When you get a chance, you're going to have to help me take individual shots of them next week. What are you doing? I guess you noticed the camera now, huh? You're sleeping. You're sleeping.